Hello friends, welcome to my channel Amista. In this video, we will talk about LSA 9, chapter name Metazoa, Origin and Evolution. First question is, what do you understand by terms diploblastic and triploblastic? Give example. So diploblastic, the animals made up of two germ layers called diploblastic. Example, Porifera, Cnidaria, Ctenophora. डिप्लोप्लास्टिक का मतलब क्या हुआ ना, यहाँ पे हमें दो जर्म लेयर्स मिलेंगे. एनिमल मेड अप ऑफ टू जर्म लेयर्स, यानी कि सिर्फ इसमें एक्टोडर्म एंड एंडोडर्म ही होगा. देन ट्रिप्लोब्लास्टिक, एनिमल्स मेड अप ऑफ थ्री जर्म लेयर्स लाइक मेसोडर्म, एंडोडर्म एंड एक्टोडर्म. एग्जाम्पल, प्लेटीहेलमिंथेस टू कॉर्डेट्स. प्लेटीहेलमिंथेस से कॉर्डेट तक सभी ट्रिप्लोब्लास्टिक होते हैं. देन नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, डिफरेंट जर्म लेयर्स एंड देयर डेरिवेटिव्स. Ectoderm. Ectoderm, its derivatives are epidermis, brain, hair and nails. Endoderm. Epithelium of thyroid, epithelium of alimentary canal, auditory tube. Mesoderm. Dermis, muscles, blood vascular system. तो ये इनके derivatives हो गए. Then what is xylem? Differentiate between true and false xylem. Xylem, it is the body cavity found between the body wall, that is the ectoderm, and the alimentary canal, that is the endoderm, and it is lined by the mesoderm from both its sides. This is referred to as true xylem. It is found in Annelida to chordates. So what is xylem? What is true xylem? So xylem is the body cavity which is found between ectoderm and endoderm, that is the body wall and the alimentary canal, and if it is lined by the mesoderm from both its sides, then it is called a true xylem. If it is not lined by a mesoderm and the mesoderm are found in patches, then it is called a false pseudoxylem, false xylem or pseudoxylem. So ट्रू xylem के एग्जाम्पल्स हो गए हमारे एनिलिडा टू कॉर्डेट्स, और फॉल्स xylem आपको याद रखना है. फॉल्स xylem, pseudoxylem, इसका एग्जाम्पल है निमाटोडा. निमाटोडा फॉल्स xylem. देन distinguish between bilateral, radial and biradial symmetries. So bilateral, the animal has distinct anterior, posterior, dorsal, ventral and lateral sides. Bilateral में क्या होता है ना, एनिमल के पास anterior, posterior, dorsal, ventral and lateral sides होता है. It can be cut only into two identical halves. ऐसे एनिमल को हम सिर्फ दो identical halves में कट कर सकते हैं. The plane of cut must pass from anterior to posterior through the center. The separated left and right or two lateral sides would be mirror image of each other. Example, chordates. Then what is radial? Radial symmetry. The animal has distinct surface, oral and aboral. It can be cut into 3, 5 or 8 identical halves when plane of cut passes through the center. Example, cnidarians and echinoderms. Then biradial. It is a specialized radial symmetry in which the animal can be cut into 3, 5 or 8 identical halves when the plane of cut passes through the center. The peculiarity is that only the opposite halves would be identical, not the adjacent ones. Then, what is the difference between protostomes and deuterostomes? So, in protostomes there is spiral cleavage occur, ठीक है. ड्यूटेरोस्टोम में रेडियल क्लीवेज होता है. इन प्रोटोस्टोम endomesoderm from the blastomeres. In deuterostomes, endomesoderm from outpocketing of archenteron. Protostomes all are not coelomate. Some coelomates forms from schizocilous xylem, and in deuterostomes all are coelomate, and these are formed from enterocoelous xylem. In protostomes, mouth form at or near blastopore, anus a new formation. In deuterostome, anus forms at or near blastopore, mouth a new formation.